Hi guys, again. Wait. I know, okay.
I'm sorry. My friend
I'm ashamed. I think I've got lipstick on my chewing gum. Yeah, get over it. I burped. Get over it. Today we're talking about
what's that?
moan. Don't even put it till PM, I just burped. Don't.
I'm not talking about boyfriend. Okay, so today we're going to talk about moam. I like moam. I don't like some. I like some. Yeah.
I like the strawberry, the cherry, and the orange. And the
we're going to show you how much it's so nice at how much we got.
Ready? I'm going to get one.
This is big, man. Oh, that tubby thing.
Here we go. This is a moam, and
I'll get one of the wrapper.
Yum 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 yummy yum yummy yum. Ah! No! Yum 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 yum. There's no reason. There's no reason you just had some spaz attack. And me. Mine does all the good. Moam! 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 Moam!